Are you feeling difficulty in handling people around you or accepting them the way they are? It may be because you are not ready to remove your own colored glasses. We all are here with our own perspectives, our own opinions, and we usually see world around us with our own glasses. Because something which is good for you may be not good for the other person, and maybe the other thing which the other person is doing may be not good for you. So that is how contradiction and conflicts come in between. But sometimes it happens even if you are ready to go to the other person's page and you want to understand the other person, but still there are things which are bringing those contradictions between us. Why is it happening? Sometimes you try to understand from others' perspective, but because the other person is having so many different personalities in one body, you are not able to understand the basic quality or basic character or basic nature of that person. So these people are called little bit difficult people, you can say. So we have been trained to maintain a distance with these type of people. We don't want to get into, because some people say like these people sap your energies, so better to stay with away with them. That's the better way. So you find your own way and let them do whatever they want to do, because that is the only way. But don't you think it is unfair on their part? Because every soul is here to enjoy, and every soul has a right to live in happiness. Even these people who are so called difficult people, they must be having something inside them. Maybe some childhood trauma, maybe some tragedy they went through. That is why something got shaken up in their system. That is why maybe they are behaving in such manner. Maybe they are not even aware of what they are doing. It is something coming out from them, from very core of them. you know Nobody is here to hurt anyone on this planet. There is no single self, there is no single human being who want to hurt anyone. We all were born with a peace, happiness and harmony, with that mindset only. But because of some childhood environment, because of some basic our own personalities, we go into split personalities. A person not having one personality but very different personalities altogether. Though we all have different personalities, sometimes we act as divine, sometimes we act as human beings, and sometimes we go into low life condition and we just act like animal as well. But these people, so called difficult to handle people, if we see their inner state, they are very innocent. They are going through such pain, even they are not realizing. So how to deal with them, how to accept them, how to understand them is a basic thing which we are looking for. For that we need to understand, like, everyone is having their own dharma body, everyone is having their own prakriti, and some one prakriti is very prominent in them. For example, a person is having fire prakriti, so the person is always dealing with the situations by flaring up like this. Every time in a situation the person is flared up with anger, flared up with judgment, flared up with opposition. So these so-called difficult people are not so much difficult people. They are innocent from their heart and they are childlike inside. It seems that they are very raw, they are very rude, they behave very unnatural to people, but inside they have wounds. Inside they have their own traumas. Inside they have that innocent child who learned this way of coping up mechanism, who learned this rude way of handling situation. So whenever these people are blaming outside, whenever these kind of people are pointing at you, inside they know that they are at fault, and they just want to keep them away from their fault, and that's why they find it easy to put fault on others. So that is maybe their coping up mechanism. That is a part of their personality which aggravate or which come up at the time of adverse life situation or when they are answerable in front of others. So for these difficult people, we need to understand what kind of rejection they went through or what kind of rejection they are still going through. There must be something going in their head or in their heart in the present situation which is making them react in this way. So instead of listening to them or instead of looking at their reactions in front of you when they are in low life state, what we all have to do is we need to introspect. We need to go inside them. Maybe we can have a talk, energy talk, like what is going inside you? How can I help you? I accept you the way you are. I accept all the traumas and tragedy you went through. I actually have compassion for you. So when you go in that energy talk, not one-to-one mouth talk, it is energy talk with your subconscious brain. Reach out to the energy of that person and provide the right balanced environment or balanced talk to that person. There is no point of forgiving, please, because we learned this way that you have to forgive others and then people find it difficult to forgive others. There is no point of forgiveness. If you want to understand what is forgiveness, you can watch my video about forgiveness. We need to understand these people are going through so many personality types at one point of time. Sometimes they act as divine, sometimes they actually go into a very low state and become animal type, and sometimes they become so innocent, childlike, and they come to you and they just want you to hug them, they just want you to sympathize them. So that is how they don't know even what they are doing. They show different shades of their own personalities. And to deal with these difficult people, we need to give them comfortable environment. We need to have a energy talk with them. How will we do that energy talk? You can close your eyes and you can call their energies, and with your energies you can talk to their energies, saying that I accept you the way you are. I respect you for everything and anything you are here for. I respect your purpose. I respect uh, your existence in this universe, and I have full compassion for you. What are you looking for? What is your trauma? How can I help you to recover from this trauma? So this is how, when you do energy talk, you will see the other energy opening up with you. With time you will see the energy will open up and you will have wonderful one-to-one dialogue with each other. That is how only two divines talk with each other. I think this is the better way to deal with these kind of people, to heal them, because leaving them like this is not a solution. And I think that is very unfair on that part.
Instead of criticizing and pointing on others, we can actually grow up and understand their pain, we can understand their mind state and accept them the way they are. We can actually contribute to their life, because we all are here to contribute to each other. It is not that they are not contributing to their life. Maybe they are very good at some parts and they are actually contributing to your life. It can be one part, one shadow of that character which you are not liking. Sometimes we can ignore that and move forward with more win-win love situations. We can do that. Definitely, we can.